Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to change the UI scale in DaVinci Resolve. This is particularly useful if you're finding the interface too small or too large for your screen, allowing you to customize the workspace to better suit your viewing comfort and workflow efficiency. First, open your DaVinci Resolve application and wait for it to fully load. Once you're in, direct your attention to the upper left corner of the screen where you'll see the DaVinci Resolve menu. Click on DaVinci Resolve, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Preferences. This will open up the comprehensive settings window where you can adjust various aspects of the software. Once the Preferences window opens, you'll notice several tabs at the top. Click on User to navigate to the User tab. This section contains all the personalized settings that affect how you interact with DaVinci Resolve on a day-to-day basis. Now, on the left side of the Preferences window, you'll see a list of different settings categories. Make sure you're on UI settings. This is where all the interface customization options live, including the scale adjustment we're looking for. In the UI settings section, scroll through the options until you find UI display scale. This is the key setting that controls how large or small everything appears in your DaVinci Resolve interface. Next to it, you'll see a drop-down menu. Go ahead and click on that drop-down menu to reveal the available scaling options. You'll see 3 different scale options to choose from: 100%, 150%, or 200%. 100% represents the default size, 150% makes everything moderately larger, and 200% significantly increases the size of all interface elements. Select the option that best matches your preference and screen setup. If you're working on a high-resolution monitor, you might prefer the larger scales for better readability. Once you've selected your preferred scale, click Save at the bottom of the Preferences window to apply your changes. DaVinci Resolve may need to restart for the new scale to take full effect, so be prepared for that. And there you have it. You've successfully adjusted the UI scale in DaVinci Resolve to match your viewing preferences. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.